Started rubbing my hands together like I'm evil.
Mischievous ass captain.
Bomb. Bombs.
Bum. You want it?
It's yours,
My friend. As
No,
long as you have enough
rupees.
currency. Oh! Oh.
Nice.
Oh, they have bombs now.
Bombs?
Bombs, lizard.
Bombs, lizard, you want it?
It's peril, my friend.
You can't put bombs on me.
I'm sorry, Link. You can't put bombs on me.
Drone? It's friend.
Drone? You want it? Have it.
How can you do that so well? Have it.
Have it. Hunted boobs up ahead. Tits big ones. That's so many healing drones. The whole level cost got put to healing drones.
Give a thumbs up to this tweet if you goon your cock. Fuck.
Wonderful.
Give a thumbs up to the YouTube video if you like to edge.
I'm sorry, Link. I cannot sell you my wares. I am currently edging my cock.
Fucking hell.
He sure loves to edge. Link, I'm sorry, I don't have bombs or ropes or lamp oil. I have shoes and shoes. That is all you get, Link.
It's shoe time.
Link, it's time for shoe.
Very important shoe time.
Don't be late.
If you're late to the shoe time, then you fucking die.
Morshu gets you.
He sends out the shoe demon. I don't know what the shoe demon is.
He is the shoe demon.
I'm not making the shoe demon.
It's the evil, dark, fucked up version of Morshu.
Don't get on my bad side. Morshu's a nice guy.
The shoe demon. Really obsessed with the words the shoe demon.
The shoe demon. I called the shoe demon at 3 a.m. I walked into Morshu's shop at 3 a.m. and the shoe demon was there.
It's just like a shoe with a really evil expression and devil horns. Oh.
Woo! Woo! The bell will not be tolling for.
No.
I am jiggling my balls, Link.
Morshu, no.
What if you walked into his shop and he was just jiggling his balls?
No.
And he had that one smug expression on his face. Oh, hey, Link. I am looking at watermelons on my iPad.
Watermelon. Oh my God.
He's looking for stock for his store.
Watermelons on my iPad.
Watermelons on my iPad, shooting you with lasers.
Okay. You got that?
Smiles.
Thank you, Morshu.
You are very welcome. Healing drone. Gunner drone. Healing drone. Healing drone.
Oh.
Oh.
Please. Please.
At SpongeBob, you're gonna love this one.
I need void items.
I'm sorry, Link. I cannot sell you my wares. I am currently looking for void items. Oh boy. A plasma shrimp. Food.
Yeah, Morshu, I'm eating food.
This. Yeah, me.
Everything you fucking say in the voice is so funny to me.
Oh boy, I sure do love pussy frotting.
Morshu, you can't say that.
I am fucking my funny little pussy.
I'm so fucking distracted. You didn't have an escape pod. Did they just throw you down here? Did I miss that?
Yeah, I came in a box.
You
My
did
son.
Yeah.
The Reddit comeback story again.
The what?
Oh, have you not heard about that?
No.
The guy who like he kept coming in a box and it started growing mold and shit. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, I know what you're talking
yummy.
about, actually.
Don't morshu, don't do that.
I cannot wait to eat that cum out of the cum box and get all moldy in my tummy.
No, morshu, no.
Cum mold.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
Cummy in my tummy. Why did I say that? I gotta kill.
I got that cummy in my tummy.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my god.
So
Yummy, delicious.
Morshu, no.
yummy, delicious.
Oh boy, plasma shrimp epic win.
You gambling, Morshu?
I sure do love gambling all my money away. 90% of gamblers quit before they win big. Link, do you want to win big? Go to slotslate.net and win real money.
The fight.
Pesticides in your coffee. Link.
Yeah?
Link.
What is it, Morshu?
I cannot stop peeing.
I love it. Morshu plays Risk of Rain 2 and annoys the fuck out of Link.
I am going to beat the ass out of Mythrix. Oh boy, 8 tougher times and 8 tougher times and 8 medkit. Link, you should get the tougher times.
Alright, Morshu, I'll get the tougher times.
It blocks all damage, but at a chance.
I'm broke, fuck. Hold on.
It's his tail.
I'm sorry, Link. I can't give credit. Come back when you were a little, richer.
The wisp! I got it.
Greater wisp. Bomb. Mini gun.
Gambling time. I did it! I won
Big
big!
win, Link.
Can you say I have a bomb and a gun?
I have a bomb and a gun. Ignition tank. I am going to steal the police officer's gun. Beatles. I listen to the Beatles while I shoot beetles with my nail gun, and apple a day kills the doctor.
I'm sure it does.
Yes, Link. The last doctor I have died because I gave him an apple. I don't think he liked it all that much.
I'm attacking the jellyfish, I promise you, Morshu. Oh shit. We'll
Uh-oh.
be okay. I'm fine.
Epic win. Fortnite jiggly style. I love to cram shrimp into my pussy. I love to crimp. Like Marge Simpson from The Simpsons. I love to watch The Simpsons in my free time.
Who's your favorite Simpsons character, Morshu?
Homer.
What's your favorite episode?
My favorite episode is the one where Homer gets the donut and says don't.
That's a lot of episodes.
I love The Simpsons.
Ollie, you're in McDonald's.
Ollie, you are in a McDonald's. Drake and Toby Fox are there. Toby Fox is developing Undertale.
How are you so good at this?
I cannot stop copying. When that bitch tells me to edge, I edge, and I do not come.
Do not come until G-Man tells you to.
I love Half-Life. I wonder when they are going to do a crossover with Fortnite. That guy has a gun. I am being shot. I ran him over with my car. Gamble your winnings away, Link.
Okay, whatever you say, Morshu. Oh, there's mice. Hold on.
That was an epic win, Link. Number 1 victory. Royale kill that hooker, Link.
Yes, Morshu, I'll do whatever you tell me to.
I sure love to kill prostitutes. I take their wallets and put their money into the slot machine.
Oh, I won. A key.
I am proud of you, Link. Continue to gamble your winnings away, Link. I have got to get my dick sucked.
What happened?
I appear to have had a heart attack and have died a horrible death.
Uh-oh. I see it. You're going away.
Goodbye, world. I hate this planet. I am leaving to a better planet.
You're going into the underworld. What?
I sure do love to jack my dick off to Fortnite characters, Link.
Jonesy, were you not there for that?
I posted that.
Yeah, I don't think you've seen Meet and Fuck Jonesy.
I posted that.
No, but I just saw it on like my organically on my Twitter time.
Oh.
Meet and Fuck Kingdom, Steve.
You might check mix.
Loud ass checks mix.
Chex mix. I love jiggling my testicles. Link, you have to take this bomb into the airport and shout that you have a bomb. Uh-oh. Ivy's mic, bro.
Am I audible?
Barely.
Okay. This is a different mic.
Oh, yeah. I figured because you were super quiet.
Oh boy, I am going to eat this pussy. Nom.
How is it, Morshu?
It is delicious, Link. Huh?
What's that possible?
You sound like you're in a tube.
You're flying away. Morshu, you're flying away.
I have to go see my people. I'm off to a better place, Link. And by a better place, I mean directly to hell, where I so belong.
Is this better? Am I not
To